There's life, there's death, and in the middle, there's maintenance. We all want to maintain our relationships, our health, and our income. And in business, maintenance equals reliability. We want reliability in everything we own, such as our cars, in everything we do in business, and in the wider supply chain in which we operate. But reliability is a hygiene factor, whereas failure and breakdowns can have big consequences for a business. So let's look at how wearing an asset management or maintenance hat can help drive productivity, profit and performance for all your products, services and assets. Here are a few asset management concepts that can help you. The first is predictability, to give you alignment at all levels and across all business areas. The second is compliance, giving you assurance across the whole life cycle of your products, services and assets. And then there is cost effectiveness, which gives you agility and teamwork, giving you improved ways of working. Now, some of the outputs from asset management include assessing your risks for your products, services and assets from the financial, reputational, cost and health and safety perspective. It develops a line of sight so that you know your values of what you do and why you do it from both the company and personal level. And it creates oneness, teamwork and systems so that you develop information and communication. For more information about how asset management and Dynamics 365 can help you transform your business, see the link below. Thank you.